Hi, FeverGang. So, you know, it's your girl, Deli Fever. And today, you guys, I'm going to be pranking Junior. Hey, y'all vibes. Yes, girl. Yes, FeverGang to the world. Yes. So, I'm going to be pranking Junior today, you guys. I'm going to be pranking him with fart spray. Boy, I'm going to poop in the place. I'm going to poop. Every place, I'm going to like a fart. And it's going to stink. Yo, I smelled this literally for like 2 seconds and I wanted to fucking vomit. It rank. It's, oh my God, it smells so nasty. Like, I'm nervous for even spray it in I care when, you know. Yo, I'm not do it in my house and I'm going to do it right here in I care because I want it to be potent. Like, the man have to open up the window in order to get rid of the smell. Like, it nasty bad. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibes. Check out all of our social media platforms. I'm gonna put them down below. And let's go, FeverGang! Boop!
Get jiggy with it.
So yeah, we're gonna be going to Winn-Dixie. I need candy. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but like, whatever
I can't really make me drive out from I think I sit.
Because I wanted you on the vlog. People haven't seen you on the vlog in forever. Look how my skin look nice.
Yeah, so my suicide something good I go buy at the store.
I mean, what do you want? Peanuts? You always eating peanuts.
Peanut better than
Why for
candy.
the peanut?
Even she come out context on.
Or maybe she likes you. You don't think?
She got the money.
So, you only like people that have money, so what the fuck me there for?
They have money.
Why? See that?
You know, I met people that knows they're rich.
Me rich? Me could as a rich? No, sir.
What are you sitting there? A caramel name.
What caramel?
Sitting there go by your lip.
What? What are you talking about?
Your lip dry. Something like that.
Oh, you mean Carmax?
Yo, what that? What smells around us?
What are you talking about? Junior, what the fuck is that smell? Oh my God. Oh my God. You farted?
No. Almost a foreign thing. But I come to AC.
Oh my God. Junior, be honest, you're fat.
No, almost round that area smell. So you almost make me go by the next lane to your ass.
Oh my God. Oh!
Almost this over there, boss.
It's gone? It's gone?
Whew. Whew. You think like a full shit to your heart, dude.
Oh my God. Whew. Whew. No man, it gone. You better not come back and I can't bother. Whew. Junior! You're farting!
What? Yo. What the freaks in there? That's how you make.
Oh my God, Junior.
Why you make me crash? I want to smell so now.
Why
Oh,
are you
yeah,
pulling
no.
the car over? Oh my God, Junior, be serious.
We come out in the road, you know. Why you doing that? Oh, seriously. That's the smell.
You can't turn.
I can't drive. You want to come drive?
I'm not fucking driving. I am not driving. Oh my God, go.
Go where? We can't even look good. And you have skinny teeth. Everything you take for joke.
Junior. Because I want to get my candy. Bro, just be honest. Are you farting? Junior.
I can't even move because my looks over here said I come from. So as my looks on my nose.
Go. There's nobody coming. Well, now there's somebody coming.
Well, we're going dead in here.
Who's gonna die in here? I'm not dying in here. No, absolutely not.
Me already dead in here already with this stinking. I feel like you have shit in a bag or some
Shit in bag?
Yeah, some prank business with the pan because when you so stink so with shit like you bring shit just as shit come.
I would shit in here? Make it make sense. Your seatbelt is not on.
I want me to take it off.
She told me to
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
I'm suicide. Are you a fart? I'm suicide fall.
I'm farting?
I'm suicide sitting in my pass.
Alright, prognosis. God can't take it. We can't take it. Junior, stop swerve. Jesus Christ.
I want it. Hold on.
Yo, my chest. My chest plate. Oh my God, yo, I'm not gonna lie. That shit stinks.
I want that.
Oh my God.
You wine on the fucking window, no, brother. Stop do that, man. That's not funny. That stinks of shit. Sitting come like that go up in my brain. I laugh.
Winn-Dixie is over here. Oh my God.
Why you don't choose to do that when we are drive?
Oh my God. That shit was so funny. Oh my God. Junior.
We never. Oh, what that?
It's fart spray.
Oh God, man.
Ah! FeverGang, let me know if this video is a thumbs up or a thumbs down. That shit was hilarious. Oh my God, Junior. Bro, you need your own fucking TV show. You are hilarious, dog.
And farting at the product to make it become that?
I don't know.
That smell like real shit. Like when you pass on fall manure.
Winn-Dixie is right here. Where are you
No,
going?
sir. No, sir. Think your shit. You want somebody put that all for your pillar? No, sir. Me? No, sir.
Oh my God, I cannot breathe. I can't breathe right now. Bro,
Yeah.
Junior, you need your own show.
I don't pillar, I don't want to put all that. Yo, the thing think you fart. So why somebody that make that? Like, why? What coming in somebody's brain for make one?
Prank.
Farts. So they make it for prank reason?
Prank.
No, it make for prank reason?
Yes, it's a prank for this something.
So the person who literally make that then say, okay, I'm going to prank somebody, so I'm going to make one fart spray.
Yeah?
Jesus, them not nothing to do.
We didn't time our energy. We didn't like, yo, Junior couldn't even drive to
Yo, you think, man,
Junior
well
couldn't
things
fucking
start.
drive.
Yeah.
Junior couldn't drive.
So you bring cologne, because when it smells so good now.
Guys, I put it on lotion, bitch. I can't take the rank smell. Oh my God. That was hilarious. FeverGang, y'all know the vibes. If I prank Junior good, let me know. But bye, FeverGang. Have a good